Alright folks, there it is. That's my rear bumper guard. It's going to protect the skid steer from running into cottonwood trees. You notice that I've used a heavy window screen across the top of that. That's to keep sticks and debris from pulling in the cooler for the air conditioner and down into the engine compartment. That's all 3-inch, 3/8" thick steel. That there's a channel, 3-inch by 2-inch channel, and 1/2-inch pins and bolts.